안녕하세요. I'm Jia. We made traditional kimchi last time on my previous video, and some people asked me how to serve, how to cut traditional kimchi. So today I'm going to show you how to serve or how you can cut the traditional kimchi, the whole cabbage kimchi. Okay, let's start from now. First, cut off the root part of the cabbage. Pick up a half of kimchi and then turn it in the opposite direction. And then cut it into an inch size. If you cut whole cabbage kimchi as it is, sometimes you'll serve mostly only the root part or the leaf part. If you cut kimchi like this, you will taste all the parts of the kimchi. Next, cut off the root part of the kimchi, and we want to keep a few outer leaves. I'll be using 3 leaves. Spread them wide and flat. Now, let's cut the remaining into an inch size and place a chunk of kimchi on the outer leaves. And then, let's roll it up tightly so that it doesn't fall apart. Let's cut it vertically and plate it. This way, you can see the cross section of the kimchi. Oh, it looks pretty and appetizing. Let's not forget to add kimchi juice to our kimchi. Next, I want to serve kimchi into small bite-sized pieces. Cut off the root of the kimchi and take off the leaves and spread them flat. Just like that. And then we want to roll up kimchi leaves tightly one by one. Cutting this way takes more time than others, but it's worth it. I often cut kimchi like this at parties, and people love it. This might be the easiest way to cut kimchi. I eat kimchi quite often, so to make it easy to eat, I like to cut them in small bite sizes and keep in a small container. Cut kimchi into small pieces, enough to eat for about 3 days to a week. I recommend to store it in an airtight container and refrigerate. The taste of kimchi depends on salting the cabbage, making stuffing, and fermenting. Kimchi adds zest to all kinds of meals. Today, I cut kimchi in 4 different ways. The first one, I turned the leaf part and the root part and then cut in small pieces. The second one, this is for every day. Just chop kimchi with scissors and then put in a container. And this is, I cut in a small bite sizes, rolled it and then cut it like this. It looks more fancy. And the last one also is more for parties. Today we try to cut kimchi in a different ways. So this is the kimchi that I have in a container, And this is how much I eat kimchi, maybe in a week. So it's easy to follow. I hope you can try looking my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.